Hi guys! Welcome back again. Today, share ko lang po yung visualizing a volume of a cube and rectangular prism. So this is a cube having the sides of 3 units. So the length is 3, the width is 3, and the height is 3. So it means that each layer has 9 units cube. So 9 first layer, second layer 9, third layer 9. The total number of cubes 27. So there are 27 cubic units. This is a rectangular prism. The length is 3 units, width 3, and the height is 3. So 3 times 3, 9. Each layer has 9 units cube. 9, 18, 27 equal to 27 cubic units. Then the length 6, width 1. 6 times 1, 6. So per layer have 6 cubic units. So 6 plus 6 equals 12. 12 cubic units. Length 6, width 2. So there are 12 cubic units each layer. 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 equal to 48. So 48 cubic units. Length 4, width 3. There are 12 cubic units each layer. 12 plus 12 plus 12 equal to 36 cubic units. Length 6, width 2. Each layer have 12 cubic units. 12 plus 12 equal to 24 cubic units. Length 6, width 2. So 12 each layer plus 12 plus 12 equal to 36 cubic units. Length 3, width 2. So there are 6 cubic units each layer. 6 plus 6 plus 6 equal to 18 cubic units. Complete the table. Given number of unit cubes in each layer and number of layers. Find the volume in unit cubes. Number 1, 2 layers, 2 unit cubes in each layer, 4 layers. So the volume is 8. Number 2, 15 times 3, 45. Number 3, 8 times 7, 56. Number 4, 9 times 5, 45. Number 5, 4 times 10, 40. Fill the table with information about the figure on the left. The figure has length of 10 units, width 4 units. So there are 40 number of unit cubes in every layer. And there are 4 layers. So 40 times 4 equal to 160. This figure has 3 units in the length, 3 units yung width. There are 9 number of unit cubes in every layer. Number of layers, 4. 9 times 4 equal to 36. Next figure. So width 2, length 3. There are 6 unit cubes in every layer. Number of layers, 3. 6 times 3 equal to 18. In this figure, there are 6 units for the length, 4 units width, 24 number of unit cubes in every layer. Number of layers, 2. The volume is 48 unit cubes. In this figure, the length 4, width 4, 16 unit cubes in every layer. There are 4 layers. 16 times 4, 64. Complete the table. Given number 1, number of unit cubes in each layer and number of layers. To get the volume, multiply 3 times 7, 21 unit cubes. Number 2, given number of layers and volume. To get the number of unit cubes in each layer, divide the volume by the number of layers. 45 unit cubes divided by 3 equal to 15. Number 3, given number of unit cubes in each layer and the volume. To get the number of layers, divide the volume by the number of unit cubes in each layer. So 56 divided by 14 equals 4. Number 4, given number of unit cubes in each layer and number of layers. To get the volume, multiply 6 times 5 equals 30 unit cubes. Number 5, given number of layers and the volume. To get the number of unit cubes in each layer, divide 45 divided by 5 equal to 9. Or we can get the volume using the formula. The formula for the rectangular prism is length times width times height. The length is 10 units, width 3 units, height 6 units. 10 times 3, 30 units times units, units squared, times 6 units. 30 times 6, 180 units cubed. Length 9 units, width 2 units, height 3 units. 9 times 2, 18 units times units, units squared, times 3 units. 18 times 3 equal to 54 units cubed. So for a cube, the formula is side times side times side. So side 3 units. So 3 units times 3 units times 3 units. 3 times 3, 9. Units times units, units squared times 3 units. 9 times 3 equal to 27 units cubed. Another cube, given side 5 units. So 5 units times 5 units times 5 units. 5 times 5, 25 units squared times 5 units equal to 125 units cubed. So also 3 times 3 times 3 equal to 27 units cubed. Length 5, width 2, height 5. Volume, length 5 units, width 2 units, height 5 units. 5 times 2, 10. Units times units, units squared times 5 units. 10 times 5, 50 units cubed. Then length 5, width 2, height 6. Formula, length times width times height. Length 5 units, width 2 units, height 6 units. 5 times 2, 10 units times units, units squared times 6 units. 10 times 6, 60 units cubed. For the cube, given side 2 units. Formula, side times side times side. 2 units times 2 units times 2 units. 2 times 2, 4 units times units, units squared times 2 units. 4 times 2, 8 units cubed. Length 3 units, width 3 units, height 4 units. Formula, volume equals length times width times height. Then 3 units times 3 units times 4 units. 3 times 3, 9. Units times units, units squared times 4 units equal to 36 units cubed. Length 5 units, width 4 units, height 3 units. Formula, volume equals length times width times height. Then volume, length 5 units, width 4 units, height 3 units. 5 times 4, 20 units times units, units squared times 3 units. 20 times 3 equals 60 units cubed. Length 4, width 3, height 6. Volume equals length times width times height. Volume equals 4 units times 3 units times 6 units. 4 units times 3 units equal to 12 units squared times 6 units equal to 72 units cubed. Length 10, width 2, height 6. Volume equals length times width times height. Volume equals 10 units times 2 units times 5 units. 10 times 2, 20 units times units, units squared times 5 units. 20 times 5, 100 units cubed. Length 5, width 4, height 5. Volume equals length times width times height. Volume equals 5 units times 4 units times 5 units. 5 times 4, 20 units squared times 5 units. 20 times 5, 100 units cubed. Length 5, width 1, height 5. Formula, like volume equals length times width times height. Volume equals 5 units times 1 unit times 5 units. 5 times 1, 5 units squared times 5 units. 5 times 5, 25 units cubed. Length 5, width 3, height 5. Volume equals length times width times height. 5 units times 3 units times 5 units. 5 times 3, 15 units squared times 5 units. Volume equals 75 units cubed. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.